Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We have got a perfectly parsleyed show for you today. We're making Tabouli. Now this is a Middle Eastern salad made of fresh parsley and mint with tomatoes and onions and lemon. It's one of my most favorite salads of all time because it's cool, it's fresh, it's exciting, and it's time to bring it. So what you're gonna need is fresh parsley, mint, fresh tomatoes, an onion, olive oil, salt and pepper, bulgur, and lemon. You'll also need a large mixing bowl, a juicer, a zester, a large mixing spoon, and a sharp knife. Now I love to travel, and I've had the privilege of traveling to Egypt many times. I love seeing the sights, but even more so, I love spending time with the people and experiencing the food. I remember on the first trip to Egypt, we sat down at dinner and they passed out like 10 to 12 plates of food, and I'm thinking, this is amazing. I stuffed myself sick. And then they bring out the main course. Now, I have since learned to pace myself, and I've also since learned that that's called mezza, and it's the appetizer of the meal. And finally, I have learned to make some of those amazing dishes like tabouli, which is this great parsley-based salad. I've just got a bunch of parsley here that is washed and dried. We're gonna mince it up real finely until we get down to the stems. You're not gonna use those. And we'll transfer this to our mixing bowl. Next, I'm gonna pick off a few of the leaves of the mint. Go ahead and roll them up and do a traditional chiffonade. And then go hit it again and just mince it up. We'll transfer that to our mixing bowl. Next, we're gonna mince the onion. I do that by slicing it in half. Slice off the tip that is not the root. Get rid of the paper. And cut real thin strips vertically on the onion, making sure you don't pierce the root. Give it a quarter turn. Look at that. Go ahead and adjust this according to your taste. Next, we're gonna mince up the tomato. I usually just take off the top of the tomato, slice it lengthwise, scoop out some of the seeds so that you just get the meat of the tomato. A little slice vertically and slice them the other way. Throw that into our mixing bowl. One of the unique things about this salad is that it has bulgur in it. Now, I wanna show you what it looks like before you cook it up. It's just this little grain. It's actually wheat, so if you do have an intolerance to gluten, go ahead and substitute quinoa. But you cook it according to package directions. We will just add that to the salad. Zest 1 lemon. This will add some additional freshness to the salad. I'm gonna mix it up. Just add some olive oil. Put the juice of 1 lemon in there. If you don't have one of these juicers, I highly recommend getting one, and you get every last drop. Add some salt. And then some pepper, and then I'll give it a mix. Let's plate it up. So check this out. I finished it off by garnishing it with some lemon and some tomato. The parsley is no longer the garnish. It is the star of the salad. Let's give it a taste. This is my new favorite salad. I know you're gonna want the recipe for this, and it's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this salad, please let us know about it in the comments below. And while you're there, go ahead and press subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make tabouli in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Mediterranean salad. No, it's a Middle Eastern salad. Made of fresh parsley and mint with lemon, onions, and I don't even know what's in it.